Guten Tag everyone, today I need to change the cabin filter in my Audi A6 and I thought I'd show you how it's done. First thing we need to do is move across to the passenger side of your vehicle. My car is right hand drive, so I'm moving to the left hand side of the car. We need to head into the passenger footwell and we need to look below the glove box to the very back of the footwell. There's this foam plastic cover. We need to undo these small plastic screws. There's two of them, one here right in the middle and then another one further toward the inside of the vehicle closer to the transmission tunnel. They're just simple plastic screws. You can undo them by hand usually. I'll try and get a nice close shot of them for you here. As you can see, it's quite tucked away well deep into the footwell, so it does take a little bit to get down under here. If you've got small hands, you'll probably do a better job than I. Once those are undone, they look something like this. Again, as I mentioned, just a simple plastic screw. And then this foam plastic cover can just sort of pull down. Just take note that to the far outside edge there is a clip. It's just a little J sort of hook. We need to pull our plastic trim around from that. And then it's completely free. You can see the hook there. And this is our foam panel. It's just a little bit of filler to make the footwell nice and clean and tidy. If we head back up into the footwell, you can see the black plastic area here. This is where our cabin filter lives. And at the very bottom is a plastic cover that's just clipped in place. If I shove this foam out of the way to the left, if we pop the clip open, and then it just falls away. It's just a very simple clip. You can see here, nice and simple. It just clips away very easily and gives us easy access to the cabin filter. Now this is a little bit tricky. You've got to kind of pull it out and lever it out of the housing that it lives in. It's a little bit tight. Just kind of wedge your fingers in there, grab a hold of the filter and give it a few good hard pulls and out she comes. Nice and easy. And of course at this point, installation is the exact reverse of removal. Grab your new filter and reinstall it all. Reinstall the bottom plastic, reinstall the foam filler, reinstall the little plastic screws, and you're all good. Super simple. You can see here the holes for the two screws, and don't forget the little clip on the left hand side here. And that's it. That's how to install the cabin filter in your Audi. This is an A6 C7 model from around 2011 to about 2018, but the same process applies for most other Audi models in that year range. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.